and welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing The Sims 4, as you can tell. I'm gonna click new game. I'm going to quickly customize my character off camera, so yeah. So I found Ugly Sim, and we're going to be doing ugly to beautiful. So start with the puppy. She's beautiful already. This is only my version of beautiful. I hope none of you get offended, but this, the thing is, all of my fans are absolutely beautiful. All of you guys are beautiful. With the clothes, there's not really anything in particular I want, guys. So, it's quite nice. I might go with that. Shoes. Some regular trainers. Sneakers. Ignore my dog in the background if you guys can hear him. Oh god. So, the white work on the face. So let's change the hair first. This is one of the new hairs that I've gotten. They're beautiful. I really do like this one. I'm gonna get aggro top this one. If you guys look like this, then you guys are legit models. Sorry I'm snorting so much in this video. Got sniffles today. Doo-doo-doo. Found her eyes. Blue maybe? Oh my god, yeah. We're getting her so much more beautiful. Okay, the next thing we're going to work on is these big bushy eyebrows. So, let's work on these. Okay. So, I finished my first beautiful sim. So what we're going to do for the next one is we're going to get another beautiful sim. But what we're going to do is give it insecurities. If you're watching this and you have insecurities, then please don't have insecurities because you're all amazing. So we have our beautiful sim right here. So the first insecurity I'm going to do is quite small. Oops. Not going to say it or else it's going to get taken down. The next is a very small, and then another insecurity is being quite fat, which is actually really beautiful. If you ask me, being fat is actually amazing. It's just so beautiful. Most fat people are beautiful anyways. If you're fat, don't be ashamed of it. Be so proud of it because you guys are legit, like, amazing. So, don't be upset by it. If you're getting bullied about it, ignore them because you're beautiful. Okay? In fact, everybody's beautiful. So we have a few insecurities so far. Now is the nose. Some people have like a nose that kind of ducks in, but then has a really long tip at the end, not that long. That's another insecurity. The next insecurity will be the eyes, because Some people don't like their eye color, so this girl can have an insecurity about her eyes, even though they're legit so beautiful. So, some people do have insecurities about their forehead being big, but I don't think that's really an insecurity. Anyways, freckles. Freckles is a very big one, very popular. That's for sure. Okay, so earrings, I think, is definitely another insecurity. Especially if it's a nose ring or something. So, glasses is another insecurity. Having to wear glasses, people think is very disgusting. And you guys will see how beautiful this girl is at the end of it. So there's no point to be bullying people who have these and stuff, because it's beautiful. Okay, the next thing, I've already done skin tone, because that could be an insecurity. That is perfect. And then ready. She is goddamn beautiful. Okay. She is so beautiful. Like, oh my god. Okay. So, I'm going to end my video right here, guys. Hope you had a nice day. Thanks for watching, and bye, guys!